stage which has been set for this today's the Synergy 2024. The students try to grab those kind of opportunities in terms of their career building when they go out of the university and try to see where they can really fit into it. Guide the students to look at those things and all the opportunities coming up, and they have to be guided to those kind of a manufacturing sector where they are taking up and all. I am very impressed with the amount of innovation that I see from the students, from all the stalls that we were able to visit, from pharma to life sciences to tech to innovation to civil to mechanical. It's just amazing.
To come up with models of digital-led healthcare that we can probably showcase to the rest of the world and help them access a better quality, lower cost, technology-led healthcare. All the minds have to come together. The university has done a fantastic job to create the supporting ecosystem. So when I look at all these innovations here, when I look at the excitement, energy, when I look at people from various schools working together, collaborating, Synergy 2024.
All the students who are here today at Synergy 2024 Fest. I was not expecting this kind of scale of the fest. I'm amazed to see the crowd. They are from various colleges, SGT University, they are here. And my compliments that all of you are so brilliant, so bustling with energy. I was told that this is a 3-day event. The first day witnessed a footfall of around 11,000 students.